Do you create shorts on YouTube? If yes, there is some good news for you. YouTube is all set to start sharing advertisement revenue with Shorts creators from February 1st. Eligible creators have to accept the Shorts monetization module to be a part of the program. Every month, revenue from the ads that appear between Shorts will be added together and shared with creators. A part of the total revenue will be allocated to the creator pool based on views and music usage across all watch Shorts. To make money from ad income, creators should have 1,000 subscribers and 10 million valid short views in the last 90 days. YouTube has said that non-original shots like unedited clips from films, re-uploaded videos of others, or shots with inorganic views will not be eligible for monetization. So what do you think of the new model? Share in comments and stay tuned to Gadgets 360 for all things tech.